recently with all our PDF lover, we received some question about like how to say the key code, how to manage team, and what is the new feature in this version 11 that we always pushing on the market so far. So we will dive in two parts. First part will be about how to say how to activate teams, activate key code, and so anything that relating to login. The second part will be about, we will review some key features about the version 11 of Wondershare PDFelement. So this is the agenda. Let me present myself. I'm Roland Zutiana. I'm the business development manager here in Wondershare. As I say, like in the end of this presentation, we will go through a Q&A session and then a gift sharing. Okay, so let's start. What the first thing we're gonna do is like, usually people, after they do the buying from our side, they receive a license key, okay? So how to activate those license in PDFelement? First, you need to create an account. Of course, you need to create a Wondershare account or login if you already have one. Once logged in, you need to navigate to the redeem membership, okay? After that, you need to copy paste the license code that we usually give to you. Usually it's around like 20 characters, and most of them you will see that in the second group of 5 number will be start by W, and then will be have an S, and then ID. It's a combination of W, S, ID. Upon successful on the redemption, you can refresh the page, and you already have to download the software as well. So you can strictly use the software, the product directly. It will appear in your client products. Everything will appear in your, how to say, in your account center, okay? Next one is, for example, for user login, we're using single sign-on that we call SSO. Those people, usually they will have to receive an email from the credential from the, to say the admin, because we are talking about teams here, okay? The admin will put his email and he will receive an automatic email that you have to click in it and sign in within this email and enter a new password, or you have to create an account, okay? How to use SSO in PDFelement. Alternatively, within PDFelement, you have to go on login, and there will be a pop-up as well. We'll say like click via SSO. You have to sign in with your Microsoft email, enter a password, and click yes. Also for this SSO, there will be some credential that you need from our side, okay? When you get your license code, you need to talk with your account manager, okay? First, like we are using the SSO login for this product. So our technical support will give all the necessary plugin or all the necessary guideline for you to make it successful. Perfect. Okay. The next one is we pretend that everybody already logged in. We already have all the teams ready so far. So how to add people, okay? To adding people, you have to go through manage team, as you can see in the sharing here. You can group people as well. And then you group it, for example, you group it as like a parent group, for example, we maybe take out of organizational or C-level suite, director or management or entry-level seat. So we can group it through this level, or we can group the user as well through like department, for example, on financial or sales or marketing or so on. So this will help the IT admin to don't get too much hassle. Okay, you can also import some of what to say Excel file or CDX file. This really, first of all, you have to download, we do have some template. You download the template and then you can assign all the user. For example, here we are talking about hundreds of users or thousands of users. So you have to use this file to make to say that the team management successfully and easily to as again to gain some time and not spend too much time on assume each user as well. Okay. Next here is the team management. In the team management plan as well, you will have different kind of plan because as you say, Wondershare, it's not only for PDFelement. In your account center, there will be different kind of plan that you can see which one are using. Also, you can with those different plan, you can assign user, for example. Here we do have Wondershare Wondershare PDFelement, and we have as well demo creator. You don't want like you have to choose only using these people for the demo creator and only those people for the PDFelement. This is also you can do. So I think better understand. I will show you how to go in through it. We go through the navigator. I have to refresh. Okay, here we are in the Wondershare.com, right? So usually we will get this pop-up as well regarding to the IP that you're using, the region that you're using. So usually I go to United States and then I continue. Okay, so where to go next? You go here on this icon and you go to Account Center. That will land you to this page. This is an overview of the product that you have, okay? You go here in plan and product section. In manage product, you will see all the Wondershare license that you have. How many you have so far, which one is expired, how many devices. Here, if you do some purchasing directly online, here you will see some subscription, some automatically subscription that you pay. Every purchase that you made online as with subscription will appear here. And as I say, on the first slide on the presentation, here will be the place that you have to copy paste all of the key licenses, the license code. Okay, you copy paste here. All the 20 character you copy and paste here. Okay, and then you submit. There will be a pop-up in green successfully. Once it's here, successfully you install the software, and then you go to manage team. In team management, you will check all the plan that you have, okay? No matter if it's already expired or not, this is a perpetual version. You have all the different products that you have on the team. On team user is here, okay? As I say, once you want to import a mass user, you download the template file and you complete within what is writing in the template, and then you can follow the guideline and then you upload it, okay? How to add user, you just adding the user here, you choosing the email, you put the email that you want, you put the role that if you wanted, and if you already made some group, preset group, you can select which group that you're gonna put it, you put the name on the department, and then you submit. This person will receive actually an email credential, so you can click on the link and create his own Wondershare account, and so you can be added on your team. So this is globally how to do. So the first step, I will just make a recap. When you receive the license code, you copy and paste it here, you submit. And if you are the admin, you check which plan that you have. For example, here. Okay. And then you assign the plan to him and then you submit. And that's all. Or here I have another plan. I'm choosing the plan, business for Windows. Okay. Then I submit. That's all. Then these people will have the, how to say, will have the license activated so you can use freely the software. Okay, that is for the first, to say the first part of our webinar today. I can see Andrea's question here. The team will reply in you in timely manner. So we will continue, and then later on the Q&A, we can discuss more. Okay. Now we'll go to the second part. This part we will delve into the core feature of Wondershare PDFelement version 11. Okay. From editing text and imaging to adding watermark and header, you can organize page, you can comment, you can protect documents and converting file between various formats as well. PDFelement offer comprehensive tools for all the document that you need. Okay, we will dive one by one in those feature. But here I want to present another added value on what we have in PDFelement version 11. Here is we call the sign. This will give you a credential signature, e-signature, official e-signature to make all the document signed easily and faster. I will directly go to the demo to show you how it's work to better understanding. For example, this is a sample for to say a lease agreement. This no important information here, but this is kind of form that we're using for this scenario. How are you gonna do? So you go to protect, okay, here, and then you request his sign. From this part, you need to add, for example, here I will add my colleague. Okay, please review and sign, and then you click next. That person will receive to say an email. I need to choose where he can sign it. Let's say, let's put it here, and then I send it. Meanwhile, she will get an email, and she have to sign it, and she will send it back. How it's gonna work? After she sign it, there will be this kind of signature here. You can see all the log. Let me check if you can see. On the right side, here you can see all the property. All the log from this signature, signed, completed. This, for example, this was completed, right? And then it will appear here. And then after that, then the document is signed. If you ever made different kind of signature, you go to starting page, and then you go to agreement here in agreement. All the document that you used before will appear here. Okay, this is my email address. So this is the status of what I send now. Maybe my colleague didn't receive it yet, but once she sign it and send it back, it will be completed, and then you can open it anytime. This is a Wondershare e-sign document. You can see. This is validated. This is different kind of property that you have here. Okay, as well. Okay, let's back in the presentation. Now let's go deeply in what is the new feature for version 11 of PDFelement. We will divide it by 4 categories. One is to make it more professional, where we can have a multi-level compression, PDF read aloud in a scan. On the integration, you can have the signature and stamp synchronization that we saw here. There will be a cross-platform collaboration between QR code scanning for file transfer from desktop to mobile. You can personalize Wondershare or PDFelement. You can customize the tool library. You can customize AI assistant. You have an office assistant that you can have an unlock plugin. Okay, and we do have AI as well. Now the AI is able to have AI chat with multiple PDF. You can have AI knowledge card. You can have a grammar check, and the last feature as well is the PDF. AI generate the PDF to PPT. Okay, let's go dive in some of those features. Here is we introduced the efficiency. For example, like before, as you know that PDFelement supports C80 file. When you open large file like this JD file or a big canvas file on PDF, it took in like a second or sometimes a minute to load all the file and begin put it in on the screen, because especially if there is a high definition image or a lot of content, now it's increasing by 30%. I will encourage those users that already have like PDFelement version 10 and you can do a comparison. You can get a free test on this. This we can offer. Except that opening faster as well, you can have an optimization and the compression that will make, like, you can compress the PDF without not losing any how to say, any quality on the content. You can customize the compression as well. You can have a different what to say, different image resolution. You can modify it, you can compress the font, and you can have as well a batch compressed file. You can compress a file, for example, a scenario of a marketing event or to say an hospital or something like that. You have to compress those big file of PDF. It will be faster in the version 11. The next one, you can slip page. You can divide the page as you like. For example, you want to cut it. You want to cut it in four part. This will happen to slip table or slip image as well. This is a new feature that's unique, and this is a unique feature for PDFelement that you cannot see in other PDF editor. Next one is a slip view. This one is about one document, but you can split the view, so you can have the information from the front page and have the information in the middle on in the bottom page, or you can comment inside of it. You can comment what it is inside. We will not to have a hassle to scroll up and scroll down. You can have the two screen to visual the whole PDF file. That will make your work faster as well. And this next part is like, for example, you have an ebook or you have some diverse kind of PDF and you want to lie down, but you need to understand as well what is the PDF in source, so you can lie down and you can put your earphone, you can put on loudly, and then it will read aloud. So far, it will support around 12 languages. Then you can read in the PDF. You can read Arabic, you can read Thai, you can read Chinese, you can read English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, and more. This will transform your PDF like as a audiobook. Okay, now next one is the Outlook plugin. So when you install PDF, it will have automatically, when you have already installed PDFelement on your computer and you open Outlook, there will be a bar that will be automatically pop up, so you can convert the email to PDF that you have, convert that to, directly to PDF. You can open the PDF attachment directly to PDF element. So when you open this one, you can open directly to PDFelement, and then you can work everything on the software. You can edit, comment, use all the PDF core feature directly without like just download, and then after you download, you open with PDF. You just open it with PDFelement, and that's work very fine. Next one is more technical. We've optimized XFI4 compatibility for seamless experience with other products. This resolve interaction issue and use unrestricted folder format for image import. Plus, we support most of JavaScript action. We like automate data processing and file operation to boost efficiency. This is also one of the new feature that we added in PDFelement 11. Next one is what that we just mastered so far, the Thai and Arabic language that I mentioned, also available on the reading load PDF. You can now enhance the Thai text display. Before, when you using the Thai display, it was like some blur, but now it's enhanced, and now it's more the quality is more clear, then the local people can understand easily the text that you're reading. It's also supporting Arabic language now. It supports the Arabic input habit and logic. You can edit text and display as well with the Arabic version. And the next of all is like the AI feature that we add, because PDFelement is AI is one of our core feature here. We do have chat with multiple PDF. You can have AI knowledge car, you have BTF grammar check, and AI cloud knowledge as well. And the new one is AI PDF PBF to PPT. It's like maybe it was like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. Our last webinar that you can see the reply is talking about AI in PDFelement playing with images. This also you can generate image, you can modify image, you can you can adjust image, you can remove background. So you can see that PDFelement has a lot of feature regarding to AI. So you are, if you have any inquiry or have any question regarding to this, just feel free to reach out to us or reach out to your account manager, and we can introduce you which kind of AI is more suitable for your enterprise or for your industry. Next one is like, because today is more about people that already using PDF before, and we want to introduce the new version so far, so you can see the roadmap and how from where to where we make it so far, from version 8, 9, 10, and 11. What is the difference here? You can see that, as I said, it's a fast startup, and we boost more about AI. You can add more layer on your PDF. You have the document and mobile document transfer. This one is like the mobile document transfer. I want just to give you a quick information about it. For example, you have a PDF, okay, and then you want to share it. So when you share it, there will be a QR code will appear in your screen, and then you open the PDFelement on your mobile phone, you scan it, it will transfer directly on your mobile phone. So this is globally what we can present for you today. Stay it in the end. Now we go to the Q&A session. That will conclude our overview for PDFelement, and we go to the Q&A session. Wow, that was content here. Perfect. First, for Andrea, for your question. Okay, the team already replied some of our question here. One license can include multiple company user, right? Yes. How many user does a license include? One license, one user for PDFelement can be used 2 devices at the same time. What we want to say here, 2 devices at the same time, we go on this logical, okay? As a professional user, you use one license on your desktop and one license on your laptop, so you can share. Next one is there a new feature in the team management console? The new feature for now is we just add the group one. Before we didn't have that one. So step like I was explaining, not only add user by department, but you can have a preset of group that you can create it. Okay, so we stop here today. Thank you very much and goodbye.